And here's the proof of Pakistan's meddling. Take a listen to what the Pak Foreign Ministry spokesperson Tasneem Aslam had to say very clearly after she has put the blame. We are given to understand that Pakistan is trying to blame India for raising the Pakistan flag during a rally of Masrat Alam and Syed Ali Shah Gilani. That's the gumption and that's the temerity of Pakistan, what they have come out and said. We'll play that out. This after we have put out that 26/11 mass murderer and plotter Hafiz Saeed is hand in glove with Masrat Alam, and he's the one who's encouraging that hate monger on the streets of Srinagar to sing praises of Pakistan and also of Salahuddin and Hafiz Saeed. The trouble mongers from across the border, and Pakistan has the gumption to turn around and blame India for all that is happening in the streets of Srinagar. Mr. Mufti Mohammad Saeed, if this is more embarrassment that you're piling on the country, are you happy about it? That's the question we want to ask the BJP, PDP government in Jammu and Kashmir. What does the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Nirmal Singh, have to say about what Pakistan is saying now? Now they are piling on the embarrassment on us, and we are sitting here and taking it, and Masrat Alam is walking out on the streets of Jammu and Kashmir. That's the current situation. We'll play out what Tasneem Aslam, the Foreign Secretary, had to say in just a bit. But this is the reaction that we are getting from Pakistan. They are trying to put it on India. Let's take a listen.
As regards the question regarding raising of Pakistani flag and the reaction, well, what we witnessed yesterday on the streets of Srinagar is a manifestation of the deep and lasting emotional bonds between the people of Indian occupied Kashmir and the people of Pakistan. It is regrettable that India chose to use excessive force against peaceful demonstrators who were expressing their exercising their right to peaceful assembly. We believe that the charges against the Kashmiri leadership are bogus and illegal, as India does not have any legal right to demand allegiance to the state of India by the people of Kashmir, who belong to a disputed territory and whose final settlement is in accordance with the UN Security Council resolution is yet to happen.
Manish Tiwari of the Congress there with us on the phone. Doesn't your blood boil, Manish Tiwari, when you see Pakistan making such ridiculous comments?
Well, it is now amply clear that Masrat Alam and his ilk are really the fifth columnists of the Pakistani establishment. First, you have Hafiz Saeed, who is the resident fifth columnist whom the Pakistani state uses to orchestrate terror all across South Asia, supports Masrat Alam, and then right after that, you have the Pakistani Foreign Office coming out in support. And unfortunately, you have the government of India continuing to twiddle its thumbs. If the government of India has any courage of conviction or any conviction of courage, they should immediately arrest Masrat Alam. They should send a very strong message to Pakistan that no interference in the internal affairs of India would be tolerated. All those people who are interested in raising the Pakistani flag, India should immediately export them to Pakistan so that they can raise the Pakistani flag on the Pakistani soil as many times as they want.
Absolutely. Thank you for joining me on this special broadcast and this news break. The message is loud and clear. You have a problem with the establishment. You have the right to protest. But if you have sworn your allegiance to another country, go ahead, seek political asylum there. There's no place for you in this country. That's one message very clearly. And if you're engaging with a terrorist and a mass murderer, you have to be behind bars or not in this country because you're also anti-India. That's the straightforward.